Welcome to our video on developing a personal brand online. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to develop a strong personal brand that can generate revenue. We'll go over the steps to developing your personal brand, ways to generate revenue, and tips for success, so keep watching. Let's start by talking about the steps to developing a personal brand online. Step 1. Identify your niche and target audience. It's essential to know who your target audience is, what their needs are, and what your unique value proposition is. You should consider your skills, interests, and passions to find your niche and create content that sparks directly to your target audience. One way to identify your target audience is to conduct market research. This involves studying the needs, preferences, and behaviors of your potential customers. You can use tools like Google Analytics, social media analytics, and online surveys to gather insights about your audience. Step 2. Create high-quality content that showcases your expertise. You'll want to make sure it sets you apart from your competitors. This can include creating blog posts, videos, podcasts, social media posts, and other types of content that resonates with your target audience. To create high-quality content, you need to be knowledgeable and passionate about your craft. You should also be creative and innovative in your approach to content creation. Make sure your content is informative, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Step 3. Build a strong online presence across various platforms. Your online presence should span across platforms including social media, YouTube, LinkedIn, and other online channels. This allows you to reach a wider audience and establishes your personal brand across different channels. To build a strong online presence, you need to be consistent in your branding and messaging. Use the same logo, color scheme, and tone of voice across all your online channels. This helps to create a consistent and recognizable personal brand. You should be active on social media and engage with your audience regularly. Respond to comments, messages, and feedback promptly, and foster a sense of community around your personal brand. Step 4. Network with other professionals in your industry and collaborate with other creators. This will help you to increase your exposure and reach a broader range of people. This will generate revenue and grow your personal brand. To network with other professionals, you should attend industry events, join online groups, and participate in online forums. You should also collaborate with other creators to create joint content, promote each other's work, and cross-promote on each other's platforms. Step 5. Monetize your personal brand by offering products or services that align with your niche and target audience. This includes creating courses, coaching services, ebooks, and other products that are relevant to your brand. To monetize your personal brand, you need to create products or services that offer value to your audience. This means understanding their needs and aspirations. You should also price your products or services competitively and promote them effectively. Now we'll talk about ways to generate revenue from your personal brand. There are several ways to generate revenue from your personal brand. One way is to offer coaching services where you provide one-on-one coaching to clients in your area of expertise. This can be done through phone calls, video conferences, or in-person sessions. To offer coaching services, you need to have expertise in a particular area and be able to communicate effectively with your clients. You should be able to develop a coaching framework that helps your clients achieve their goals. Another way to generate revenue is to create digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and digital downloads that align with your brand. These products can be sold on your website, social media channels, or online marketplaces. To create digital products, you need to have knowledge in a particular area and be able to present your knowledge in a compelling and informative way. You should be able to develop a marketing strategy that helps you reach your target audience. You can also earn revenue by creating sponsored content for brands that align with your personal brand. This can include sponsored blog posts, social media posts, and product reviews. Another tip for success is to stay true to your values and personal brand message. This means that your content should reflect your beliefs and values, and you should not compromise your integrity for the sake of profit or popularity. It's important to keep track of your metrics and analyze your performance regularly. This will help you identify what's working and what's not, and make necessary adjustments to improve your personal brand strategy. Finally, don't be afraid to seek help and advice from experts in your industry or personal branding professionals. They can provide valuable insights and guidance on how to take your personal brand to the next level. Remember, developing a personal brand takes time, effort, and dedication. It's not an overnight success, but with consistent hard work, you can establish yourself as a leader and generate revenue through your personal brand. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into developing a personal brand online. Don't forget to identify your niche and target audience, create high-quality content, build a strong online presence, network with other professionals, and monetize your personal brand through coaching services, digital products, and sponsored content. With hard work and dedication, you can develop a personal brand that generates revenue and establishes you as an industry leader. Thank you for watching.